So I didn't quite finish section 1. I got pretty close, but I'm running out of daylight, and I don't mind riding at night, but I found this really cool little camp spot behind these trees, blah blah blah, and so I think I'm gonna camp here for the night. All right, tent's all staked out. I'm gonna cover up the bike like I always do, just in case it rains. Nobody likes to wake up to a wet seat. And there you go. There you go. There's the end of day 1, mostly section 1. I'll finish section 1 tomorrow. And sometimes I like to stop short of the next town. That way I can wake up in the morning, get my stuff together, and go have breakfast. Because I don't cook. So that's what I'm planning on doing. All right, I'll upload all this crap as soon as I can. I have no Wi-Fi right